Hey guys, it is day 2 of the giant 3D printed collapsing katana on my Orange Storm Giga. Here's my hand for scale and reference. When this thing is done printing, it's gonna be over 900 millimeters tall. That's gonna have about 7 kilograms of filament total, and it should be printed perfectly. I went ahead and dropped in a 5 kilogram spool here, which is connected through the filament sensor, which is actually not working right now. So basically I have 10 days to make sure nothing goes wrong, no power outages, no clogs, no issues, nothing like that. And if all things go well, we're gonna have an almost a meter tall collapsing 3D printed katana when it's fully collapsed, and God knows how big when it's fully extended.